Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, we're coming here with another cool product from OWCdigital.com. We've always reviewed a ton of their products over the years. In fact, we've interviewed the CEO on our podcast and I believe the vice president. And these guys always make really great, high-quality products. We're always impressed with their stuff. Anyway, this is their USB-C travel dock Generation 2. We reviewed Generation 1. Very impressed with it, but it kind of had this hard cord that you couldn't pull out or detach or anything. It was just kind of hanging there, and it made it kind of hard to travel. So they took the next best step, and they made it so that this new cord wraps around in the underneath area or carriage of the unit, so you don't have this cord just kind of hanging out everywhere, and it's kind of just bulky, if you will. So they've made it so it has a built-in cable storage, and it still has all the great power and stuff that the original had and some extras. So let's get into some of the details of it. It's got 5 ports of connectivity, 2 USB-A 3.1 Gen 1 ports, 1 HDMI port, 1 SD card port, and 1 USB-C power pass-through. It'll give you power options of bus-powered, or you can use your existing USB-C power adapter. It will charge while working, up to 100 watts pass-through power for notebook or other devices. That's pretty amazing. I think the old one, or one of the ones we had, 65 watts. So 100 watts pass-through power. Neat and tidy. It's got the built-in cable storage and compatibility with notebooks, tablets, Mac, Windows, Linux, iOS, Android, Windows, and Chrome. Holy crap, you can use it for so many different things. It's pretty amazing. And it doesn't require any specialized software. You just plug and play, and away you go. Wow, you can power your laptops with it and all that sort of good stuff. And it even has OWC dock ejector built in, so you can disconnect everything in one click and safely as well. And it comes with a 2-year limited warranty. OWC, I got to tell you, they've sent us a lot of products over the years. We've always been impressed with them, and we use their products on a daily basis, actually. Their SSD hard drives we love on the Chris Voss Show, and their drive docks we use as well to process all the different videos and photos we do. So we love them so much, anything we use daily is probably good. In fact, I think their OWC SSDs actually power the computer we're recording this on right now. So anyway, be sure to check them out. You can go check out all their products at OWCdigital.com. Very impressed with the next Generation 2 that they did with this thing, and we'll see you next time.